Hello, I am Chris Turner, the freestyle rapper, and if you are in the hospitality industry and your website is not generating bookings, you need to check out boostly.co.uk, and this is a freestyle completely made up, improvised, on the spot about why. Let's drop that beat. Let's do this. I never lie, I tell the truth, me. You gotta go and take a look at boostly.co.uk. Wanna get the guests to stay, but they're looking at your website and just move away. Well, this way, you get more heads on beds because they're gonna get on the website and guess like, yeah, I should put direct cause it looks so nice and I can inspect. Web design is the answer, that is what you need. Beat booking Airbnb, succeed, and let me tell you what, to you from me, you know the Boostly got the money back guarantee, yeah. You really need you when it comes to web design, they're the market leader. And best of all, you can do it now, give them a call on the website, wow, yeah.